Can you speak normally?
This is how I speak.
Can you speak normally, please?
Allow it, allow it.
So this food is esto es bueno.
Let me share this vlog. First time in my life, I'm on a vlog, you know, a popular one. You pay me.
I'll pay you.
I swear. Guys, please like and subscribe also, you will see more of me. Tell them I love you. Tell them.
Ensure you subscribe, like, click the notification bell for every time we upload a video, and that's up here. Thank you.
Spanish to English. When you brought it up, you didn't take a picture. I was telling me, okay, let's eat. So this food is esto es bueno. Encanto, yes. Encantolagos.
Feeling good. I am feeling good tonight.
How many margaritas have you had?
Just 1, 2 shots.
Like, you need to give me a heads up. This is content. Like, let me know. What you bring? Alright. Let's go. Shoot. What's this?
Chicken fajitas.
Chicken
Fajitas.
fajitas.
Nice.
Oh, steamy.
You know that?
So, tell them again. What do you want to do?
You're going to take pictures of it. That looks like what you did for Jude and his babe.
But this ambience.
They do shoot. See, I'm going to look at it with their hands. Come and shoot me. They do by shots. They do by shots. Oh, yeah. I think it's actually so pretty.
I
know. It's so pretty. Follow me on Instagram.
No, don't follow her, guys.
Love you.
Don't follow her, guys. If you follow her, she's
You
always...
people want to do this vlog.
Yeah. You guys follow her. She's always plugging restaurants and, you know,
Chop life.
food, lifestyle, enjoyment, everywhere. Big thing. Tulu OG
Big
brand, that's it.
head. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm shy. We outside. Shot. Yay. So delicious, guys. Go.
Big thing, what you say?
What we say? Sule. Get me lit, baby.
Great experience. Yeah, shout out to Encanto. You guys can't hear me, but yeah, I am really tipsy right now. Yeah.
Everything seems like brighter and finer now.
Yeah. It looks really nice. So yeah, it was a great vibe, it was a great energy, it was great food, it was great customer service, and yeah, I enjoyed my night. So I'm about to head back home and yeah, wind down. Thank you guys for watching. Please do come to Encanto, SMVI. Yeah, beautiful view, man, not gonna lie. Let me show you guys. It's really beautiful. The pool, the outside. Sheesh. Yo, I can't wait to see this during the day. It will be so nice.
I don't know this is.
Oh yeah?
you pay me.
I pay.
I swear.
Say hi to the vlog. What you say?
Hi, I've missed you on this vlog.
Big man, what you say?
Hi guys. We outside. We're at Lightel Africa launch period.
Yes, sir.
This is my first time on your vlog, so
Yeah.
hey guys, please follow me on Instagram. I can't wait to.
What the? No, don't take my small followers. Please don't let's not do that.
And you know official.
Tell them to subscribe, like, share, and subscribe.
Ensure you subscribe, like, click the notification bell for every time we upload a video, and that's a period. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Hey. Well, yeah, man. Your shoes. What should I? Is this? What's this? Nike or
I
Puma?
don't even know. I borrowed these ones now.
Bro, it's Puma now.
I borrowed the shoes, the trousers, the shirt. Toby gave me this one. Tommy K gave me this one. Kelly gave me this one. I collected some from my assistant.
Yeah, but everything's looking nice still. You know, the combo is fire. Where did I say we should go to? Should we come?
Yeah.
Let's go. Mr. Sam, what you saying? Nothing, are we?
Make money. That's what I'm saying.
That's it. Yeah, now why now? You know they try, they go China, they go this way, you know, see, come for here. Let me yen you they spend like this. I bet you they spend for it.
People are serious with this content thing though. I'm the only one that is not serious with this.
You who are you lying for?
Wow.
You again whole food production media team.
Guy, calm down.
You have.
It's for work now, but I mean like personal stuff. Wow.
Yeah,
I need to be like you guys.
Okay.
We are here for the food, but they're giving us lots of that. No problem. No wahala.
Yeah. Finally, I got picture though. Get out though. The first time in my life, I'm on the vlog. You know, a popular one. Well, popular vlog. That's so many celebrities. I'm so happy. I feel fulfilled. Like I've made it my life. Thank you guys. My name is Abel Adigoke. I am excited. I am so happy, guys. You don't know how excited. See, if you write us inside of me right now, this is guys, thank you. We love you. Oh my God.
We love you.
Wow.
Tell them to like, share, subscribe.
Oh yeah, guys, please like and subscribe. Also, you will see more of me. I'll beg that the picture with the next one.
You two people.
What do you have to say?
Like and subscribe.
I like your shirt. Thank you, Baba. This is Ashroff, right?
Ashroff.
No man. The drip. Sheesh.
Gentle.
Soft. You make up eggs.
Children is in love with me,
You
guys.
make up eggs and left no crumbs. I mean, how do you even say it?
Children, tell them you're in love with me. Tell them.
Yeah, what she said.
Guys, I'm breaking up.
Yeah. I'm in love. I see, guys, you guys know I love Dominica. You know I love Dominica, so yeah.
Why am I
Go
blushing?
way back.
Why am I blushing?
What's going on, guys? Yeah, shout out Ajide, shout out Bernard. We can't see Bernard, but yeah, Bernard is here. What's going on?
Which thing you know feel?
What's that?
What can you not hold?
Throw up gang sign now.
Bro!
I better go.
No, I just leave it at peace. Let it end at peace.
No gang signs, please.
But yeah, what's going on, guys? We are off to the beach. What beach are we going to? Takwa Bay?
Aqua Bay.
Yeah, so we're off to Takwa Bay today. Today's Monday, so yeah, we're just going to have fun.
Jesus. See this man, man. Sorry guys, I promise that's not like an evidence of my driving. It's just Lagos.
It kind of is, bro.
No, it isn't. I don't think you say me go back.
I didn't almost catch
Before we beat ourselves.
But yeah, it should be fun. It should be, all vibes. We're going to meet the rest of the gang. Yeah, so we have Alison, Jumoke, and I don't know the rest of the coming, but yeah. It should be fun still. Who else is coming? Who else is coming that I know?
Henrietta.
Okay, Henrietta said it's free on Monday.
I made everybody, like, you guys should rate me. I said everybody should be outside and everybody pulled up. Period. Because everybody know that even me, I'm not that free. So to have said that we should do this on a Monday, like everybody just like, okay, let's do it. I'm with it.
I'm sure going
Just like,
hey, everybody's free on Monday. I mean, that's the life of being a creative. Your time is flexible. You can move things around and shit. Because if we're in the office, I don't think this will fly. Monday, you don't want call work on Monday.
Early Monday morning.
Monday morning, yeah, you are going to the beach. If your boss sees that, they will not be.
But to be fair, it's the end of the year. People should be allowed to do that. They've done so much like throughout the year. I think that's the beginning of the season to just like pick yourself, put yourself first. Like fuck that job. If you die today, they're gonna replace you.
I beg go. I know. All this are the talk.
No, because like my life changed when I heard Beyonce say release your job, and I released my job, and everything like I've just been living. So you should do that too. Like bigger things are gonna happen for you. Don't take my advice.
I'm not taking that advice. Everything sounds cool, but I personally not going to take the advice. We are, going to keep, hustling and chilling balance. So yeah, it's good. Yeah, happy new week. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please, I beg. Like, share, subscribe.
So it's just my
DJ.
Now you be DJ now.
Now your phone will really play.
Yes, no, so I give it to you for a reason. I'm driving.
I don't know what.
And trash it. And so at the truth, I was just like, it was like, I just said, they complain about government. Like, why are you throwing this inside
at the same time, it's their fault.
Oh yeah, what do you
because when you're growing up now, maybe you're becoming an adult. When you see what other people are doing,
baby girl, you know I love you though. You can tell my secrets, but I love you though. I can take you anywhere you wanna go.
Where are we? Okay.
Hello,
Quick stop. Hands are Renee. We're trying to get some live bites.
I'm okay. How are you? I'm okay. Yes, I'm with a lot of people. Can I call you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ajide is spoiling us today, so.
I'm not lying, no?
Okay, perfect.
So yeah. Oh, okay.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay.
How many? 10?
There's no Jara.
No.
Wow.
No ice cream. I didn't say ice cream. What?
Ice cream is going to melt now.
Yeah. I'll drink. See your receipt. What you say?
We are here. So let's really get bitches at the end. We're out here, we're about to go to jet ski.
Brother, your background is the piece, the bubble.
Hey, yeah.
Your background is. Hey, open this car.
You forgot your shoe in this guy. Is it your shoe?
Who shoe?
Black boots.
Me? No.
Hi guys, my name is Alison. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Smooth Alison. Thank you. This camera will be so confusing when I was using it. I was looking here instead of here.
Yeah,
because I was just looking here.
Me too. I was looking here and I realized this is where it is.
So yeah, basically subscribe to my channel. I do vlogs. On my Instagram, Smooth Alison. My TikTok, Smooth Alison. Facebook, Alison Aldo.
So
follow me
my small subscribers, that's what you want to take now. So guys, yeah, you guys should tap in.
Jumoke.
Tap in Alison. Hi Jumoke. Oh, we have somebody else?
Yeah, Jumoke.
Hi Jumoke. How are you?
Hi baby.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Hi.
Hi.
Why are you putting that on YouTube? Do you know her?
I know her.
From where?
I know Jumoke now.
Stop taking people that you don't know on your YouTube channel.
What you? Bro, I know that from.
I'm going to steal your book. Is there anything inside?
No. It's the book from, what's her name? Alice, Harrington.
Okay.
That's the book she gave us, yeah.
It's, when I saw you ask for the book, I'm like, okay, that's your shoe. I just think you're just forgetting your things. That's
No, no. Bro, that's not my shoe. I don't even know.
Who wear that kind of shoe?
Who wears, yeah. What? Guan. What is...
You're just laughing at yourself. Okay.
Hi guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
What's your YouTube? What's it now?
My YouTube channel.
Is this your YouTube channel?
Okay, Nedu Johnson. Just type Nedu Johnson. NEDUJOHNSON. So when you see this place, please do subscribe. I've got amazing content, shout out lifestyle, vlogs and shit. Fashion. You know, the boy be doing everything, you know, outside.
Bye-bye,
But
please.
hopefully,
Bye-bye, I've cut it. It's not say painting. You don't go sell your market.
maybe they enter the channel first, we'll say everything. Yeah, more content coming out. Only gonna know when we go actually drop this one.
It's Lee that doesn't know. I'm dropping on Sunday.
I think I'll just load everything.
Just drop it on Sunday now.
Yeah.
Just load like
with the
it's
ones
like
I
a
have,
weekly
with the ones
vlog.
I have,
Exactly.
yeah, I made yesterday and the rest.
Exactly.
So
That's what I'm going to do.
Yeah.
And I spoke a bit so I can use that as overlay, just so like I'm talking about the day and the videos I just spoke.
Oh, so you do like a voiceover?
Yeah, not voiceover. Like I spoke.
Inside it.
Yes, I spoke this morning about what I did.
Okay.
So then I'll now overlay the days.
Okay.
Who are we waiting for? Let's go now. Henrietta. Where is she?
It's just 3 people.
Are they all together?
Drinks?
Eh?
Did you bring drinks?
Let me tell you what, this is my woke up in my brother's house. I just went home, dressed up and came because if I drop any other place, while I could do because I was going to be late or early.
Jumoka, did you bring drinks?
No.
Sasuke brought. Is there alcohol?
You know.
Beefeater, did you bring beefeater?
Did you bring? You tell me I bring beefeater.
No, not that.
They wine now.
Who own that kind of shoe?
Oh, no, I don't get alcohol for us again. I don't beefeater now. I want to drink. This bad energy. I don't know why Allison's giving me bad energy. Like, allow the boy drip, fam. Allow me drip, fam. You already know.
What are you doing?
You already know.
What are you doing?
Allow that, fam. Allow that.
Can you speak normally?
What you on, fam?
Can you speak normally?
This is how I speak.
Can you speak normally, please?
Allow it. This is how I speak.
Can you speak normally?
Now I just go back from the UK still.
So that UK. You need to leave me alone, please.
From the end, fam. Yeah. I found out your Osmo pockets. You're not vlogging. You're saving space. What memory card are you using? How many space?
120 something.
128 gig.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because when I had the reason why I bought it because I had space issues. I'm so over it.
How many
I don't know.
spaces?
This is
1 terabyte.
No. Around 1 terabyte, I'm not have issue now. This is 126
128.
something.
No, it's always 128. It's 128 or 256.
No, it's not 256. It's 128.
128.
Yes, and I'm having issues. That's why I just bought.
128 is small now.
That's what I'm telling you, man.
Even me, I use 256. Don't eat a fool.
And I just want this family the same thing. I just give up. I just say, no, let me just buy it so that the camera is strictly for that.
Yeah, strictly for that.
Yeah, this is on my iPad, so nothing is entering this one.
Yeah, same thing. That's why this is. I got my camera. My phone don't rest.
Because every time. Every time, man. That's why I hate that vlogging because it's so everything is on your phone. You're texting on this phone.
You're texting on your phone.
Battery will be there. Power back is fine. And I was like, oh my god, no, I'm just trying to make it, bro. Like,
I'm just a content creator, man. I'm just trying to live, bro. Why?
I was like, let me just buy this camera and iPad and let me just move on. Let this phone rest. This phone has been cold since I bought those two things.
Before they hot, before it's frying.
TikTok, Instagram. No, I don't use it for just social media.
Ooh.
So I don't use it for any editing at all. Everything is just
everything. Okay.
Just social media and calls.
Oh, that's good, man.
It's so crazy, man.
Yeah, elevate. Is that your phone?
Yeah, man. Come talk.
Okay.
Martin. Why are you just speaking away? I called you earlier. You didn't pick.
I was sleeping now.
Oh, what?
You called me at 7:30.
Can you see my video? Okay, yes.
I can't see it.
Can you see it now?
No.
Can you see it?
No.
Let me call you back then. And stop shouting. Nonsense.
You know, time I speak normal accent to reach my turn and 10 minutes speak normal accent.
I move like a dime. Fettuccine and Vincenzo's. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxing. Peachy, we getting some traction. I'm at the views packing. I'm digging her accent. I got a beauty Simon down on me and she trying to get
Yoga. I'm preparing you people for the UX. It's okay, like. Yeah. Is that your chair? Why your?
Let me officially welcome you.
Hey! Wait on.
I beg, I just want to rest. There's one there. That's yours.
So where's yours?
sorry. Really?
Swear.
It was stressful.
No, boy. Honestly, that's not only. I don't dip this in way awful.
Water was like.
Yeah, I think at night because at that time even saying that means at night it might be higher than this
That's
because
one
normally
sign.
it's not.
Yeah.
They go like 5 o'clock. No,
5.
5. Wait. They do what is wrong with you?
No, the man said 4-5.
James.
Yeah.
This one does good.
This is 18 November.
Go and who came after you, Emmanuel?
Yes.
What did man say?
Just one bed.
I want to eat something. So very. So very.
I want to eat something, please.
Oh, there's chicken
There's
burger.
also burgers inside the knobs and berries.
Yes, but wait, everybody.
Why you flat like that?
This thing first. Eat meat pie first.
Say chop rice, chop rice, chop rice.
I brought that inside.
Eh?
Why you
Yes,
flat like
now,
that?
it's mini burgers.
Okay, but we still need one more.
Ah, my mini burger, mini.
Okay, thank you.
Where's the breeze?
It's coming now.
Come on,
Your body is.
Oh, let's
So I imported breeze.
doesn't know when you found for here, because the breeze not the breeze.
Breeze no reach here.
TikTok and put one African sound.
Now for Bernard.
I know all of that tricks.
Man like Bernard.
That African sound is too real. Because now we say I'm supposed to do that.
Come on, baby. Stay around me. Stay around me. Stay around me. Come on, darling. It's been a long, long time.
When I give my this down. When I give my this down. It's so funny now. I got you on my mind. And they do back on photo.
Now you are here. I say it's okay.
You want to back the son of good thing.
What we could do, baby. Just you and I wanna stay around.
He's dangerous.
Come on, baby. I wanna stay around. Hey, little darling, stay around. Baby girl, you're my number one girl.
Yeah, it's a wrap. Takwa Bay is good. It's a wrap. It's a great vibe. Sunset. You know, I think I really want to do this more often. And just come out on a Monday. I know before you judge me, this is also like lifestyle. So every day is work for me. And then having to come out on a Monday and just hang with beautiful people, great vibes. It's calm still.